Elsewhere, Turkish National has been released on personal bond of 1 million shillings after days in custody. Mustafa Gungor was freed following a court order that allows his release until the 3rd of February as investigations into alleged terror links continue. The Kahawa Law court ruled that detaining him beyond the legally allowed period without clear evidence will violate his refugee rights as well as Kenya's international obligations under refugee protection laws. Human rights organizations have welcomed the decision, saying the move upholds the rule of law and protects refugees from unlawful detention. Turkish refugee Mustafa Gungor was arrested by anti-terrorist police units on 20th December while in Nairobi. Authorities allege that Gungor had links to a group designated as a terrorist organization by the Turkish government, claims tied to a Facebook post he reposted in 2018. Following his arrest, he was held in custody as investigations continued, sparking concern from human rights defenders over what they termed as prolonged detention without sufficient evidence. However, the Kahawa Law courts have now directed that Gungor be released on personal bond pending further court proceedings scheduled for 3rd February, a move human rights groups have welcomed, saying the arrest and continued detention risked violating both Kenyan constitution and international refugee protection laws.
We have maintained the position that his continued and extended pre-trial detention without formal charges or clear evidence against him was a grave infringement of his rights and Kenya's obligation to the international community. We call upon the Kenyan government to immediately cooperate with the United Nations humanitarian program to accord Mustafa Gungor all the protection and safety that he is entitled to under international and domestic law as a refugee.
Tunaomba sana serikali iweze kuhakikisha kwamba haikubali fitina kutoka nchi za nje, kwa sababu hii ni kama ni vita iko baina yake na baadhi ya watu kule nje, alafu wanaleta fitna pa Kenya. Tunaomba serikali ya Kenya isikubali fitina na kufanya uchunguzi hao wanaoleta hizi fitina ni akina nani, kwa sababu
the group added that Kenya has a duty to protect refugees from forced deportation where they may face persecution. As the case continues, Gungor remains a free man in the meantime as the court considers the legality of the allegations and any potential extradition requests.